Randomsingh.
How to revert to old Stumble Guys 0.37 from 0.38 beta. Hello friends, in this video we will see how can we reinstall Stumble Guys 0.37 and remove 0.38 beta. Before starting, if you want to install 0.38 beta version, then I have already created a video on that. You can check that video by clicking at the top right corner. Going back to Stumble Guys 0.37 is easy. First, uninstall Stumble Guys 0.38 beta from your mobile. Now go to Play Store and search for Stumble Guys. Now click on Leave the Beta program. Now exit Play Store. And open App Info of Play Store, click on Internal Storage. Click on Clear Cache and exit from here. Now open Play Store again and search Stumble Guys. Install Stumble Guys. Once done installing, click on Play. Now check the version of the game, it's 0.37. Guys, if you want to play on the live stream with us, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Randomsingh.
Friends, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, Randomsingh.